flying creatures at your home. Is this a holiday? What know you not? Being mechanicals, you out not work. Upon a laboring day without the sign of a profession, speak, what trade art thou?
Why, sir, a carpenter.
Where is thy leather apron and thy rule? What dost thou with thy best apparel on? You, sir, what trade are you?
Truly, sir, in respect of a fine workman, I am but, as you would say, a cobbler.
But what trade art thou? Answer me directly.
A trade, sir, that I hope I may use with a safe conscience, which is indeed, sir, a mender of bed souls.
What trade, thou knave? Thou naughty knave? What trade?
Nay, I beseech you, sir, be not out with me, yet if you be out, sir, I can mend you.
What meant thou by that? Meant me, thou saucy fellow?
Why, sir, cobble you?
Thou art a cobbler, art thou?
Truly, sir, all that I live by is, with the all, I meddle with no tradesman matters, nor woman's matters, but withal I am indeed, sir, a surgeon to old shoes. When they are in great danger, I recover them. As proper men as ever trod upon neat's leather have gone upon my handiwork.
But wherefore art not in thy shop today? Why, what dost thou lead this man about the streets?
Truly, sir, to wear out their shoes, to get myself into more work. But indeed, sir, we make holiday to see Caesar and to rejoice in his triumph.
Wherefore rejoice? What conquest brings he home? What tributaries follow him to Rome? To grace in captive bonds? You blocks, you stones, you worse than senseless things, O you hard hearts, you cruel men of Rome, knew you not Pompey, many a time and often? Have you climbed up to walls and battlements, to towers and windows, yea, to chimney tops? Your infants in your arms, and there have sat the livelong day with patient expectation to see the great Pompey has passed the streets of Rome? And when you saw his chariot but appear, have you not made an universal shot? That Tiber trembled underneath her banks to her nation of your sounds made in her concave shores? And do you now put on his best attire? And do you now call on a holiday? And do you now strew flowers in his way? Be gone, run to your houses, fall upon your knees, pray to the God to intermit the plague that needs must light on his ingratitude.
Go, go, good countrymen, and for this fault assemble all the poor men of your sort. Draw them to Tiber banks and weep your tears into the channel to the lowest stream to gaze the most exalted shores of all. See whether their bestest metal be not moved. They vanished tongue-tied in their guiltiness. Go into town that way towards the capital. This way I will disrobe the images if you find them decked with ceremonies.
Maybe do so. You know, it's a fest of lupercal.
It is no matter, like no images. Be hung with Caesar's trophies. I will about and drive away the vulgar from the street. So do you too, where you perceive them take. These growing feathers from Caesar's wings will make him fly an ordinary pitch. Who else would soar the view of the man and keep us all in servile fearfulness?